Travel!
Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel Hot Mama Travel. Today we are hitting the road for a fun coastal road trip up the California coast. First stop is going to be Cambria, California. The hubby here is going to be participating in the Eroica vintage bike ride. Is that what it's called? Yeah.
Eroica, baby!
So that's going to be happening first in Cambria, and we're really excited because we're going to be showing the vintage bike ride as well. So stick around, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's get into the video.
My name is Mario Garibay. This bike here is from the 1980s and was built by John Sinkat out of Downey, California. Originally it was built for a friend of mine who passed away. He was an avid cyclist who funded the score in the Southern Century. He actually did the race across America. He passed away and I inherited the bike. So I had to restore it and I tried to do it, justice to it. And I'm very proud of it.
What was it like before and what is it like now?
It was a yellow color, but it was, too far gone, and I just did it in honor of Grito Quistapes, to show it off.
What's your favorite thing about the bike?
Just this lugless bike. It's very small. It actually fits me, but I like the details in it.
Yes.
It's beautiful details, and you can't go wrong. It's just
And then what can you tell me about the maker, Wolf?
Wolf, John Sinkat came out of Mossy, California. He was roommates with Brian Bayless, and they worked together. And he started his own bicycles. Brian Bayless, like the ones over there, my brother owns. Those are original painted, Brian Bayless. There used to be a Brian Bayless painted, but it was too far gone. So those, and from there they worked together. And he was building bikes in Huntington Beach. And then he moved to Downey, California, where I met him.
Wow.
Actually, he had the shop in the back of Downey Cyclery.
Excellent.
Back in the early 80s.
Right.
And from there, I fell in love, and we had it since then. Yeah. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Marcello, you ready? Oh, I'm doing video.
Oh, okay.
You were awkwardly holding your pose for the video. Here's our group. Dennis, George, Javier. Tell me about your bike, Javier. I'm just kidding.
It's red.
Yours is red too. Love all chrome bikes.
Can I video bomb your
Hey! You're gonna be on YouTube. I gotta get video of the Heliers. Oh my god.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's like a dream bike. Oh my god. Lovely. All right, video time. We're at the halfway point. How do you feel?
Oh, great. So far, so good.
Dennis, you good? All right.
83, by the way.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're in better shape than I am. Man. We're here, and here's the ocean. Oh my gosh. George, that one sounds like you.
That sounds like you and
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Steve and his friends participate in the vintage Eroica bike ride up the beautiful California coast. If you did, stick around because we have way more vlogs coming your way from this beautiful road trip. You're not going to want to miss them. We'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.